I am so pleased to welcome you to this special broadcast. I am Basi Eyibe Basi from ThinkPoints Nigeria, an undergraduate student of Brigham Young University, Idaho, Pathway Connect Worldwide. I am an environmental health specialist with bias in parasitology. Recently, I've been so keen about health issues affecting children, and malaria has been identified as one of those health issues that has been threatening life of children and pregnant women. Today, I'll be discussing issues that can help the affected population better manage malaria. Today, I'll bring you an interesting message concerning your health. One of those major health challenges that has been so threatening in the world today. Malaria has been identified to be a very devastating disease in the sub-Saharan Africa and Nigeria in particular, with a very high level of mortality and morbidity among children and pregnant women. In 2016, malaria cases was estimated at 216,445,000 deaths due to malaria globally, with Nigeria accounting for 30% of these, according to WHO 2017. PMI State has also established that about 94% of Nigerian population is at risk of malaria. Malaria is transmitted from human to human by female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito has been established to be susceptible to malaria parasites of the genus Plasmodium. 4 species of Plasmodium have been confirmed so far, of which include Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium vivax, and Plasmodium malariae. Of these, Plasmodium falciparum has been so threatening and taking life in Nigeria. Malaria parasite is responsible for most of the health complications such as black water fever, gastrointestinal disturbance, hyperplasia, seizure, and hypoglycemia in pregnant women. Malaria is preventable and treatable. If malaria is diagnosed and treated early, the duration of the infection can considerably be shortened, which can reduce the risk of its complication and death. Early symptoms of malaria include chills, sweat, fever, muscle pain, nausea, vomiting, and within 20 to 30 days, initial contraction. Despite effort to reduce transmission and increase treatment, there has been little or no impact of these felt in the area at risk. This can be attributed to human behaviors towards prevention approach. High incidence of malaria has been reported in the urban area of its local government area due to behavioral activities of people. People in the area are much into trading and commercial activity, which allows the people to stay outdoor into night. It has been established from research that mosquito bite and transmit at night and outdoor as well. The factors for these has been as a result of this high incidence because of the lifestyle of the people. To help reduce this impact, government and other concerned agencies have spent lots of money in promoting health programs in malaria, such as mass net distribution campaign, malaria vector surveillance, mass free drug distribution in the endemic areas. With all these efforts, if affected population can ensure compliance, in the nearest future, malaria will become a thing of the past in Nigeria. ThinkPoint Nigeria is inviting all, including caregivers, children, and others, to sleep under treated nets and also go for tests before treatment. Treatment should be done with SCT as recommended by WHO. As it is said, prevention is better than cure. Seek to prevent malaria rather than waiting for treatment. For more information, visit us at www.thinkonenigeria.org or call 070-311-80111. Thank you for listening.